I'm going to show you how to draw a spiral tree inspired by Gustav Klimt. To begin your tree, you will need to turn your paper so that it is horizontal on the table in front of you, side to side. We are going to use the bottom edge of the paper as the ground. This is where our tree trunk will begin, and we're going to make our tree trunk in the middle. We're going to start by making two slanted lines like that. Now, we need to make the trunk a shape, so we are going to complete this shape by making a V. We'll start at the end of this line, come down, and go up. This is going to be the trunk of our tree. Now, something you do not want to do would be to make a trunk that looks like this, where we make curved lines here and here. The reason we don't want that is because now our branch has to go down. It can't go up. And we all know that branches on trees go up. The next step, we're going to make two really big spirals. One is going to be starting here, the other one will be starting here. The spirals can go whatever direction you want, but they need to be big. They can go the same direction, or they can go the opposite direction. That doesn't matter. It kind of looks like a heart. After this, you are going to start adding more and more spiral branches to this tree. The branches can come from anywhere. What's important, though, is that you fill up the space. So wherever you have a spot for a branch, add a branch. Another thing that's important is that you keep your spirals large and simple and open. Here is an example of one that is not correct. Do you see how these spirals are very small? And they go round and round and round too many times, which makes the lines too close to each other. Now, when we're finished, we're going to be using a paintbrush and we're going to be painting each spiral. And you can tell what's going to happen if I try to trace this spiral. Because its lines are so close together, all I get is a blob. So when you are drawing your spirals, make sure that they are large and open. The curls should just go around a couple of times. Wherever you have a spot, add a spiral. Even down here. I wouldn't go too close to the ground, though. When you feel like you have enough branches on your spiral tree, then you are ready to start painting.